Hello everyone, so in this video I'll be showing you how to make character on Adobe Illustrator. First, you need to sketch your character or draw your character on paper. I choose my 𝓀𝓸𝓻𝓵𝓭 to be the sample for this video and scan the result and put it on your computer or laptop. Personally, I use printer to scan my character. You can open the printer's app and click scan. Put it on your storage, whatever location you want to place the picture. Next, draw the character basic lines. Of course, we need to open the Adobe Illustrator first and put the picture that you already scanned. Change the opacity into 50% so it will be easier for you to draw the character. By the way, because this video takes a lot of time, so I'd speed up the speed. You can also slow-mo this video if you need. Add color to your character. Personally, I really love this part because you're going to fill the character with color and makes your character much alive. This is an important phase that you won't miss. Shadow and light make your character more beautiful. I put some gradient color on Mike's eyes, body, horn, hands, and feet. And I already put light on Mike's eyes in add color phase. The last one is to export your character. You can save it in PNG file if you need the background to be transparent. And it's done!